Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And
Hello.
guess who I have here?
Ranju.
This is Ranju.
Hi. Hello. Meeting new people makes me weird. That's why I'm awkward. Otherwise, I'm not like this always.
Yeah, though she's not at all awkward, guys. Go and check her out on my channel and you will see how much she talks.
Yeah, that is true. I do speak a lot. And
So
also
introduce
sometimes
yourself,
very
what type
fast.
of videos you make and all.
So I make basically all type of videos apart from the comedy section because I feel like my life is a comedy. So that is the one that I have reserved. But otherwise, I'm into fitness, food, beauty, fashion sometimes. Also, I do makeup. Yeah, I think that kind of covers it all up.
Yeah, she-
Also, the odd time I also do collabs with interesting people like this.
Thank you. Yes, guys, you must follow her for a lot of fitness related videos because she's like one of those people who have inspired me to lose weight.
Oh,
So yeah, definitely do that.
Thank you. That's so sweet.
So what are we doing for this video?
We are doing a style swap, which I'm actually terrified of. My hands are shaking, if you can see already.
Oh my god, it is. What's wrong with you? It's nothing scary.
Yeah, I don't know, but I am like, okay, I'm always comfortable only in my dresses, like, which is basically maxi dress or basics, which I will be putting you in. You will see what my style is. It's mostly comfortable.
I am excited.
But I have seen your videos and I know what kind of clothes you wear, so I'm like legit scared what you're
Look at that. What kind of clothes you wear? Ooh.
No, not like that. It's definitely not my style and something that I'm not comfortable in. So I'm like terrified. My heart is like, I'm having heart palpitations right now.
So guys, basically, like, you know, however complicated she might have made it sound, it's not all that complicated. It's
I
just
hope so.
that
I'm not
from my
gonna-
humble wardrobe, I'm going to give her two pieces, like two outfits. So they can be multiple pieces also. And then, yeah, I'll style her in my style. And
Yeah,
then she'll
and-
do the same for me.
Yeah, I
And
got things from my house, like 2 complete looks.
you will see that a little later.
Mhm.
So yeah, like her only concern is that she doesn't like things above her knees, and I wear a lot of things which are above my knees.
Yeah.
So now you know why she said the kind of
Nervous.
clothes that she wears.
Super nervous already.
I'm having a lot of fun, man. I'm really excited to wear your clothes.
I just hope I don't faint.
And by the way, we have shot a fun collab on her channel. I will leave it in the description box, so make sure that you go and watch it.
Yeah.
And we had like a blast filming
Oh
that
my
video.
god, we laughed and we spoke so much, and so much so that our cheeks were hurting. We actually took
It's
proper 3 hours
still
break
hurting,
from
literally.
that video to this because we needed to give breaks to our cheeks. You know, my life is a joke. My life is a joke.
When I met you, I honestly thought that you're more like a calm, like meet up for coffee and let's sit and talk business kind of a person. But oh my god, man, she's so much fun. Like,
Yeah, no, I actually talk a lot and I crack a lot of crap jokes as well.
and she's the kind of person who will make people feel so good automatically. So I think you should definitely go and check out her channel and
that's so
subscribe to her channel, guys. Show some love. And now, without wasting much time,
And
let's
also, any of you who are from my channel, please subscribe to her
Yeah,
and hit
please
on
do
the
that.
bell button. Please.
So now, without wasting much time, let's get started.
Yes.
Okay, so first of all, guys, don't judge me for a lot of mess going on because I've not been staying here, as you guys already know. And right now, I'm choosing clothes for Ranju. I already have like few outfits in mind, which are as per her style of not showing off so much skin and being below the knees. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I just hope that she likes whatever I select for her.
So, yeah, you guys, as you can see, I brought a bag full of things for Swati. So, you know, basically I dress in 2 basic things. One is basics. I told basics a lot of times, but anyway, I dress in basics and a lot of maxi dresses. So that's what I've got. I mean, it was fairly easy to actually get it while Swati is figuring out what she should get me for, you know, this style swap.
Wow, actually, there's a better mirror here. guys, here we are in our first outfits, and I really like the style. Like, I mean, so good.
You could wear it, right?
I could totally wear it, and like only like this hair and the make and the lips are different than what I usually do. Though I have not like tried all these pieces together, but I would totally wear it. I just love it, and just this much makes so much difference.
I'm so glad you like
Yeah,
it.
I love this. I love this outfit, man.
Yeah, and I must say I like the hair also. I mean, I do leave my hair open, but not all the time. I'm a lot more comfortable with my hair in a bun. But I kind of like how it is going with the outfit. Also, I like wearing the belt on top. It is something I've never really done. I feel like it kind of clinches at the waist. It kind of gives me a nice waistline, giving me that hourglass shape, I think. Also, I'm not someone who carries bag, which is why there is no bag with your outfit. So this is interesting. I think I should take more bags out again.
Yeah, and this outfit, like even I used to not wear belt over shirts. This outfit is inspired by Max from Two Broke Girls. She wears a lot of, outfits.
Yeah. She does that, right?
You've seen those. You've seen
yes.
the
Now that you say that, I can totally like.
Yep. Yeah. So all credits to her. So now let's go and change into our second outfit. I can't wait to see what she has for me. Like,
you will like it.
I'm sure I will. I so love this outfit as well. Like,
oh my god, me too. I think of the two looks, this one is my favorite.
I think I like both the outfits like very, very much, and this is so good.
Yeah. Oh my god, and I will tell you,
I should definitely invest in like longer dresses.
Yeah, man, they're so comfy, right?
Yeah, so
and
comfy.
I never thought I would be comfortable in anything short, but this is really nice. I could actually go home wearing this. I was like slightly trying to manipulate her to like
you can totally wear it,
because
guys.
you know what, I like this scallop detail and everything. Like I could wear this to work, and also the watch. Yo, girl, I feel like
and this
now
being linen, it's kind of formal also a little bit,
right? And the bag also. Now I actually feel like I should start investing in bags. I never really like spend on bags at all. This is like completely out of like what I do, but I absolutely love
And what
it.
do you think about the Converse with like outfit?
It's
like
nice. See, I would have generally worn my heels or the wedges or
Me too,
something
me too,
like
but
that.
like-
But this is like really good territory. I think it's so comfy. Like
when I actually got this outfit, I was wearing it with black heels, and that's it. Because I never thought that it would actually look nice with sneakers or something.
right? Yeah.
But then, and it's such a contrast with linen and crochet, and you're wearing with sneakers. But I just love it. I love how actually it looks on you.
Yeah, and I
So
can't
good.
believe how I look so different, but like very good different. Like also, you gave me she gave me an accessory. I don't know, it's so pretty, but because I have a tiny neck,
She
you
gave me so many of them, so I was
see
feeling
it.
bad that I didn't give her any. So I just gave
You
it.
can hardly see it. I have the skinniest like chicken neck. I feel like look at this. It goes all the way till there. It's supposed to be till here. Like
But anyways, I just absolutely love how you're looking, and
thank you.
even me. And what do you think about
great
wearing a
job.
watch?
No, like I said, I genuinely love it. I don't wear it, but now I think I might get one as well. So yeah, thanks for
And I think I might get something like this. I don't buy anything like this like at all. Never bought. But this looks good on
the
me.
accessories look good. I
Yeah.
think you should invest more on accessories.
Definitely.
And maxi
That's on my
skirt
list.
also.
That's on my
You look taller, in a maxi skirt. Which is
Okay.
like, not that you're short or anything, but
I feel like, like a princessy kind of a feeling.
nice. But I'm like
Yeah,
super
yeah.
glad you like.
I love this. I just love this. So yeah, guys, that's all about this video, and I hope that you guys genuinely liked our collab. And don't forget to watch her video, like our collab on her channel.
She will leave it in the description
Of course,
box.
of course.
Click on it and go watch.
Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to her channel, show a lot of love and all of that. And I will see you soon with another video. Till then, bye.